In this video, we're going to look at exporting and saving work done in Desmos. When we have work in Desmos that we would like to share with others, either by turning in for a grade or sharing with students in the class, there are a couple ways that we can do that. The easiest way is up at the top, there's this little arrow which says share the graph. When I click on share the graph, it gives you a few choices. First thing it does is give you a URL that says copy, and watch if I copy it. And then I put it in another window, it brings me to the graph. So you can share that with your professor, you can share it with other students, and then you can see the graph. Another thing you can do on this sharing your graph is export the image. So the image comes up, you can see what it looks like. You can make a few changes if you want to from there. You can also download. That'll download the graph as well, so we have plenty of options for how we can share the information that we put together in Desmos. Sometimes you might find that you need to stop working on something and come back to it later. It might be helpful to create a Desmos account so that you can save your work. So to create an account, you just click on sign up. It'll ask you to accept the agreement. And then you can sign up with Google, sign up with Apple. So you do have choices of how you can sign up. You can also go with an email address. You can put in your email, whatever you want to call it, and create an account. I do find sometimes that's helpful because if I want to come back and look at something, then it's already there. When you have a saved account, we can use the menu to look at other graphs that we've made in the past. So we could go through and say, oh, we would like to do a little bit more work on it. We can open the graph. And then we could make changes, add additions, take things away, but we wouldn't have to start from the beginning.